What are the different vegetarian diet options? The vegetarian diet is a dietary plan that excludes meat and fish but includes plant-based foods, and depending on the type of vegetarian diet, it may include animal products such as dairy and eggs. There are several variations of the vegetarian diet, each with different restrictions and allowances. In total, there are 5 types of vegetarian diets. They are: 1. Lacto-ovo vegetarian diet. This diet includes dairy products and eggs but excludes meat, fish, and poultry. 2. Lacto-vegetarian diet. This diet includes dairy products but excludes eggs, meat, fish, and poultry. 3. The ovo-vegetarian diet. This includes eggs but excludes dairy products, meat, fish, and poultry. 4. Pescatarian diet. This diet excludes meat and poultry but includes fish, dairy products, and eggs. 5. The vegan diet. This diet excludes all animal products, including meat, fish, dairy, eggs, and sometimes honey. Key foods to eat as part of the vegetarian diet are: fruits and vegetables. A diverse range of fruits and vegetables form the base of this diet. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oats, barley, and whole wheat products. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas, and other legumes for protein and fiber. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds for healthy fats and protein. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. This is for lacto and lacto-ovo vegetarians. Eggs. This is for ovo and lacto-ovo vegetarians only. Plant-based proteins, such as tofu and other meat substitutes. Foods to avoid in the vegetarian diet. Meat. All types of meat, including beef, pork, and lamb. Poultry, such as chicken, turkey, and other forms of poultry. Fish and seafood. This is excluded in most vegetarian diets, except for the pescatarian diet. Gelatin, a protein derived from animal collagen, often found in sweets and desserts. Animal fats, such as lard. Benefits of the vegetarian diets. Vegetarians choose this diet for various reasons, including health, ethical concerns, environmental impact, and religious or cultural beliefs. Some benefits of the vegetarian diet include: lower risk of chronic diseases. A vegetarian diet is associated with a lower risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Better weight management. The vegetarian diet is often lower in calories and fat, so this can help with your weight control. Better digestive health. The vegetarian diet tends to be high in fiber, so this promotes healthy digestion. Better environmental impact. Growing and farming plant-based foods typically has a lower environmental impact compared to animal farming. Important nutritional considerations. While a well-planned vegetarian diet can be nutritionally adequate, certain nutrients do require your attention. Proteins. These are essential for body repair and growth. Vegetarian-based sources of protein include legumes, nuts, seeds, dairy, and eggs. Iron. Plant-based iron is less readily absorbed by the body. Vegetarian sources of iron include lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods can enhance absorption. Calcium. This is important for bone health. Sources include dairy products, for lacto-vegetarians, fortified plant milks, tofu, and leafy greens. Vitamin B12. This is found primarily in animal products, so vegetarians may need to consume fortified foods or supplements for its intake. Omega-3 fatty acids. Vegetarian sources of this can be found in flax seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Adopting a vegetarian diet involves learning about plant-based nutrition and possibly new cooking techniques. It may require more effort to ensure all nutritional needs are met, especially for those who are transitioning from a diet that includes meat. However, vegetarian options are increasingly available in restaurants and grocery stores. The vegetarian diet focuses on plant-based foods and excludes meat, with variations that may include dairy and eggs. It offers numerous health benefits and aligns with ethical and environmental concerns. Proper planning is necessary to ensure nutritional adequacy, but it can be a balanced and fulfilling way of eating. We hope you found the information in this video useful.